We're hearing that song. You know that song. Where do broken hearts go? Yeah. So someone here looks like broken-hearted about the situation. Where do broken hearts go? Teka, tanungin ko lang itong nagtatanong na to. Saan ka ba umuwi? Kasi broken-hearted siya, di ba? So kung saan siya umuwi, yan, no? Tatanong ka pa, eh, ikaw nga yung broken-hearted. Yan, no? Meron ditong energy broken-hearted about you. So, with that, where do broken hearts go? Yan. It looks like, hindi niya alam yung gagawin niya rito, no? Diba? Saan ka na uwi? Ex? Yeah, no? This is definitely your ex because I saw, um, pay attention to the red flags while shuffling. Yeah. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing someone here who could be broken-hearted right now. And I'm seeing someone here kneeling down and pray. So maybe this person here, hindi ko siya nakukuha maka-Diyos or what. Parang mas madalas lang siyang mag-pray ngayon. Mas madalas siyang tumawag sa Panginoon ngayon. Regardless of your religion here or this person's religion, this person is now calling in yung kanyang mga angels and spirit guides. Okay? Could be asking for help. Yeah, dahil sa pain na nararamdaman niya. Sa broken-heartedness na nararamdaman niya. Okay? Oh, so ex mo nga talaga yun mga babes, no? So whoever that individual is, definitely an ex right here. Okay, and this ex of yours is walking away from confusion. Ano, walking away from confusion right here, no? Doon sa punto rito, no? Na naguguluhan siya, no? Sa parte rito, no? Ng kanyang ginawa. See? Naguguluhan siya doon sa ginawa niya or nagawa niya sa'yo, no? Parang siguro may pagsisisi na rito, no? Mukhang naiintindihan niya na kung bakit mo siya rito hinayaan na lang or pinabayaan, pinakawalan na lang, no? Yun. So, yun pala yun, no? Kaya pala mga babes, no? Ganun yung narinig nating awitin dito, no? Kasi broken-hearted nga siya. Yan. Broken-hearted talaga siya dito. Yan, no? And this person cannot accept that fact na mukhang wala ka na talagang pakialam sa kanya. Yan. Okay. Okay. So, ilina muna natin lahat ng energy sa ating table right here bago tayo mag-start into this reading. Oh, calling of the engagement and reconciliation, both in reverse position. So, others of you could have a child or doesn't have to be, pero nakuha rin ako ng energy rito na mukhang kayo ay single mom or single dad, but doesn't have to be. Just take how this resonates. So, passion is also in reverse right here. Okay. Okay. Tulong natin para hindi masyado nag-reflect sa ating lampshade. So yeah, hey there collectives, thank you so much sa inyong suporta at walang sawa talaga na pag-antabay dito sa channel na to. And hi and hello sa mga new subscribers. You're welcome here in the channel. So yun nga, no, mga babes, no, kanina nagkaroon ako ng mini, tawag doon, parang conference. Mini parang patawag conference. No? So, yun, no, linawin ko lang, no, kasi yung iba na misunderstood nila, no. Mga babes, dito ko lang yung sinabi kasi isa yun sa mga viewers dito. Yan. No? Na gumagawa ng hindi maganda, no? At for me, hindi maganda yung love spell at ginagawa niya yun sa akin. Yan. No? And hindi ko naman dito gawain na mamahiya or whatever, no? Kaya dito ko na lang sinabi kasi naman sa Senado ko sinabi. Pero yun nga, no, love ko kayong lahat dito. Ayoko lang kasi rito na parang turn off kasi sa akin yun eh, mga mahal. No? Turn off sa akin yun, yung love spell na ganyan, love potions, everything, no? So, masaya ako na nagiging inspirasyon nyo ako rito. Masaya ako na nandito kayo, no? Na tinutulungan ninyo ako sa aking journey right here. Yung paglaki ng community natin dito, sobrang ikinatataba ng puso ko. Yan, no? Pero, isa pa rin akong human being. Yan, no? I also tend to fight for what I think is right. Yan. So, dun sa person na yun, no, your admiration looks like hindi na nagiging healthy for you. Yan, no. Para sa kanya to mga babes, no, baka may mali na naman yung intindi dyan. Yan, no, para to dun sa specific person. Yan, no, na gumagawa ng love spell sa akin. So, yan. Okay? So, hindi talaga kita pinapaalis dito sa channel na to. Kasi talaga naman para to sa lahat, para mag-guide, no? Pero kasi iba yung hangarin mo. Okay? And that is what making me off. Yeah. So, yun nga, no? Hangad ko pa rin sa'yo. Ikaw, oo, ikaw. No? Hangad ko pa rin sa'yo, no? Na iba na lang. Wag ako. Okay, so yun nga mga babes, no? Baka sabihin ng iba dyan, ganda ka, miss yan. Bakit? Nagkakalat ko ba? Kung saan talaga na nagsusumigaw mga mahal. Lo, Lucio. So yun nga mga babes, no? Going back right here, yeah, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat. So, ayun nga, no, meron dito mga babes, no, na broken-hearted about the situation here with you. Alam mo, hindi siya dito talaga makapaniwala na nagawa niya yun sa'yo. At mas lalong hindi siya makapaniwala, no, na mararamdaman niya ito na pagtangi at gustong bumalik sa inyo. Yeah. So, whoever this individual is, this person really wants to go home with you. But after this separation here, yeah, okay, because this person is doing some kind of a red flag right here. You know what I'm hearing from this person? Nangailangan kasi ako. Okay? Nangailangan kasi ako. Yun yung narinig ko upon seeing this finances and career. Okay? Pay attention to the red flags and then finances and career. So, whatever the case may be, maaaring itong tao na to ay nangailangan siya money involved, material things involved, worldly gains involved. Yeah. So, whatever the case may be, pwedeng luho involved. Nangailangan kasi ako. Yang nangailangan kasi ako, yan ngayon yung pinoproblema niya dito, no? So, maaaring ngayon yung red flags dito, nakakita ko ng third party. So, may tao talagang iba. We do pay attention to the red flags and the deception here. Yan, no? But with this engagement in reverse, in reconciliation in reverse, you could be engaged already with this person or talagang, ito na talaga yung taong gusto ko makasama forever. Kasi ikaw, pag nagmahal ka, gusto mo siya, may. Ayaw mo na nung makikipag-relationship tapos hindi ka pa sigurado no, kung saan kayo patungo or hindi ka sigurado sa feelings and emotions mo. Kasi once na makipag-relationship ka, ayan na yung tao na yun na gusto mong dalhin dun sa tinatawag na forever. Yung habang buhay mo, no, na gusto mong makasama sa yung lifetime. See? How special is that person right here to you? But you choose to detach. You choose to release this past person right here. And you call off the engagement. Whether you are engaged, like literal na engaged, no? Literal na sinoli mo yung sing-sing sa kanya or nagkasulian rito, no, ng vows or promises ng panghabang buhay dahil sa third party, no? Pinanindigan mo yon. Yan, no? So, doesn't have to be na nagkaroon ng proposal dito to some of you, no? This is a general reading wherein this is you. Sigurado ka na sa kanya eh. May proposal pa man or wala, sigurado ka na dito sa tao nito. Pero naging malakas dito yung loob mo to detach from this person right here. And reconciliation in reverse means, no, I'm not coming back. See? So that is what this person is now thinking, regretting, stuck into his or her thoughts, thinking why he or she had done that sa inyo in the past. Yeah. So whoever yeah, we're hearing that song, you know that song. Did you forget that I am even alive? Yeah, see, hindi ko alam kung alam yun ng lahat, pero I know that song. And actually, I forget kung sino kumanta. Pero, with that, did you forget that I am even alive? Clearly, malinaw na malinaw, no? Parang gusto niya sabihin sa'yo na, Uy, collective, andito pa ako, buhay ako, humihinga ako. Hindi mo ba ako hahanapin? Yan. Or hindi mo ba ako lalapitan? Hindi mo ba ako papansinin? Collective, uy, uy. Andito ako, yan. So, whatever the case may be, someone here is wanting you. No? Nakakatawa, no? This person is somewhat, no, trying to get your attention right here. Pero looks like, wala ka nang pakialam. Tinan mo, parang wala kang pakialam kahit kung saan man siya, lupalop ng earth ngayon, humihinga or whatever. This is you. Like, literally, you've already in this call off na talaga, no? As in, call off. Okay? Not cool off. Call off. Yeah, you call off this relationship, commitment, even connection with whoever is this person is. Yeah. So I think with the children right here and free yourself, okay, after the separation, honey, after the separation, okay, looks like tuluyan mo na rito na na-realize sa sarili mo, okay, that you deserve real love. Yeah, after the separation, tuluyan mong na-realize na deserve mo talaga yung real love. And you do. Yeah. So whoever these energies are here with me, with the children, for yourself, and there's this passion in reverse, I'm picking up that this is you loses your passion over this past lover right here. Yeah. So, kung may mga anak mo na involved dito para sa mga bata, o sige, kausapin mo siya, no, magbigay siya ng money, okay lang, or sustento, whatever mga tayong gender dito. Pero with the free yourself, this is you, no, whether may anak kayo nun or wala kayong anak, no. Kasi yung ibang nakukuha ko rito, children means, this is you, na parang bumalik ka rito dun sa fresh new start. Okay? Dun sa new beginning ng buhay mo, nagsimula ka na maging malaya after the separation, parang naging gift pa nga sa'yo itong separation na ito. No? You lose your passion over this person right here at dito ka na lang, no, na-realize mo rito na alam mo, nakita ko dito na nilaban mo tong person na to. Pinagtanggol mo pa to sa mga kaibigan at even sa family mo. Yan. Pero I can see you here healing family issues. Family, not just your family members or relatives, pwede rin po na mga friends at mga tao rito na pwedeng sila yung nagsasabi sa'yo noon na, Uy, nakita namin yan. May kasama yung iba. Uy, alam mo ba, ganito, ganyan. Yan. So, sila siguro yung nagsabi sa'yo na pero pinagtanggol mo pa tong mokong na to dati, no? And then this is you healing your issues with your soul tribe, with your community dito na pwedeng nakatampuhan mo, nakagalit mo, no? Dahil pinagtanggol mo ang maling tao. Pero whatever the case may be, I can see you here making the effort here to wait. Yan, no? To with the worth waiting for the right one to come along to your life or to come towards you. Yeah. So this is you, no? Um, alam mo na nagising ka na eh. Alam mo na dapat pinakinggan mo rito, no, yung mga taong nanatili sa tabi mo, no, kahit wala pa tong person na to. Kasi meron dito mga tao na nasa tabi mo ni, no? Kahit wala pa yung tao na yun na dumating sa buhay mo. Yan, yung wala pa yung past person na yun, nasa tabi mo na to. Yung pamilya mo, yung best friends mo, yung soul tribe mo. So, kung sino-sino man itong mga to, unti-unti mo nang binibuild ulit, no, inaayos, no, yung iyong relationships or connection with them kasi tama pala sila. So, yeah, no, ayaw ka lang pala talaga nilang mapasama. Gusto nila mapabuti ka dito, no? And I can see that you will be, yan, magkakaroon ng forgiveness, no, and reconnection with those friends of yours and your family members right here. Yeah. And for this past person, I'm seeing that this past person of yours will continue, yan, to to be in this type of energy wherein he or she will think about ano ba talaga yung nangyari noon, bakit ba siya nangailangan noon. Yung iba malakas talaga yung rason ay pera or material things, material gains right here yan, no? Pero alam mo yon, alam mo yung hindi yung nare-realize dito. Kahit alamin at alamin niya pa rito kung ano yung nangyari nung nakaraan, it doesn't matter anymore. Yeah. Kasi ano man yung naging rason na yun, tapos na yun, nangyari na yun, nag-move forward ka na sa iyong life right here, hindi niya na maibabalik pa ang dating relationship or dating samahan na meron kayo dahil hindi ka na open with any reconciliation with this person right here. Yeah, so whoever this individual is, I'm picking up that this is someone here receiving this karma. Mm-hmm. See? So, collective, ito ang mga nakita nating messages for you guys. Yeah, beautiful messages right here and beautiful lessons yan, no, para sa tao rito na maaring hindi pinahalagahan at hindi nakita ang halaga mo noon. So ngayon, ito ay kanya ng pinagsisisihan. No? I'm hearing nilayan. So whatever the case may be, pwedeng pinagninilayan niya rin. Oh no. So yeah. So collective, ito ang mga messages for you guys. Thank you so much, Sarang Love and Life. And